Hey, what's up guys, this is Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Facebook's new send button and how to use it to start getting tons of free, ultra-targeted traffic instantly. Doesn't matter if you have any friends, if you don't, you just got started on Facebook, you're still going to be able to start getting traffic to your blog, to your websites instantly using the send button and the techniques I'll be sharing with you. So first, let's talk about what the send button is. Well, what it is it's similar to the like button where, the like button, people hit the like button on your website and it'll show up on your profile and it'll be shown to all your friends with, usually it's a line that says something like, so-and-so just liked and a link to your site. And it usually includes some words. Well, now the send button is different. Let me show you an example. So if I click on send right here, I've already filled in my information. You can see here that I put in my URL. It pulls in a thumbnail image, the title of the post, the description of the post. But here's the major difference. Instead of it just being a blast to everyone on your friends list, you can instead send it to a specific friend or friends, a group that you're a part of, and or an email address. Okay? Now, why would people want to use this? Well, it's simple. Let's say people are into freaky stuff, right? If they're into something kind of freaky, which if they're into like bondage or something and they want to share it and they got like 2 or 3 other friends that are into that, well, they can share it with just those 2 or 3 friends. Another example that's not so out there would be something like internet marketing, right? We all have profiles on Facebook. And maybe we have family and friends on that profile, and we have our marketing network. People we network in the marketing industry, all in that same profile. Well, maybe you don't want to send out, a video of mine to everybody you know. Maybe you just want to send it to Bob and Jane, who are your, mastermind partners. Well, now you can do that. But one of the major things that I'm taking away from this is the group, okay? As you know, my Facebook training, I've already showed you how to, connect your RSS feed to your Facebook profile, to your Facebook fan page, and to Twitter and LinkedIn, of course, but only to your Facebook profile and fan page. Well, now I find it really, really key that with the send button, you can send this post to a Facebook group. Now, I've never really been a huge fan of groups. I was a fan of the old style Facebook groups where you could send a direct message to up to 5,000 members. You could send like an email. It's like building an email list, a group on Facebook. Well, now those old style groups are now being destroyed. So if you have them, start inviting people, create a new group and invite people to them. As I've just done a couple of days ago, I created a new group and I'll show you an example. So if I come over here and I start typing Facebook, okay, you can see Facebook Formulas Masterclass, that's my old style group. Facebook Money Getting Formulas, that's my new style group. Okay, and if you don't know what I mean, let me do this. Let me just show you the difference between the two. Okay, so here's the new groups, okay? You can add people just by entering their name, okay? They don't have to approve it. You can just add them. You can create docs that you each come in and add to. Now, if you look at my old style group, which would be this, Facebook, let's see, Formulas Masterclass. Okay, so here's the old style group. See all the stuff I have in here? Free webinar, Facebook Formulas, Facebook, this is all my stuff. See how much stuff you could start to add into Facebook? Okay, so here's the old style group. Now, you can see here that this group is scheduled to be archived. Now, I don't want to make this about, Facebook groups. However, before, we used to be able to come over here and say message all members and boom, send out a message. Well, since they took that away, or they're going to be taking it away, I kind of lost interest in Facebook groups. So there really wasn't use for it, right? I'd rather just send everybody to a fan page. I could have my customized landing page and all that kind of stuff. Well, now with the Facebook groups, with the send button, okay, so let's bring it back. With the send button, we can now send our blog posts to our groups. So what does that mean? What that means is the smart thing to do, right? And I'm giving you super ninja strategies while explaining what this send button's all about. Okay, so pay really close attention. What I do is I use a free tool called Deliverr It. Okay, Deliverr.it. And take out the vowels. So it's DLVR. DLVR.it. Deliverr It. You go there and you connect your RSS feed as a source, and then you have it go out to your Facebook page, or pages, your Facebook profile, your Twitter account, your LinkedIn account. Now what you could do is then go back to your blog, and from the blog post itself, when we add this button, which I'm going to show you how to do here in a second, you can go over here, type the name of your groups, or again, group or groups on Facebook, and have that blog post now posted to your groups. Okay, so it's all about syndication. It's all about syndicating your content. And, normally with these tools, most people focus on how their friends can share it and stuff like that, which is obviously what we want them to do and we want to encourage them to do. But I'm giving you super ninja formulas for you to do it yourself. Okay, I'm giving you some key tactics that you can use to take advantage of these tools to promote it to your audience. Okay, that can pretty much automate adding content to your pages and your groups. So that's what I really liked about this. Now, you can also send this to specific friends. Now, unlike the like button, well, certain times on the like button, if you set it up correctly, you can have it come with the thumbnail. When somebody hits the like button, the thumbnail image will show up, the title, the description, instead of just a, cheesy little anchor text link. However, that works too. But I really like that. Now, you can also add a message. So what that is think of like when you go to share a link on Facebook. So if I come back to Facebook and I go to post a link, I can add a link, right? So I can do http www.fbformulas.com, right? Which is basically what the send button does, because look what it does. Pulls in the image, pulls in the title, and the description, okay? Now, over here, see where it says say something about this link? Well, that's what that message part is, all right? So that pretty much is the send button. Now, I don't recommend you just install the send button. What you really want to do is you want to get a combined like and send button. Now, to do this, you can take their code and input it, and you can add, basically, you take the code that they give you here, and you add this right here, send equals true. You add that to the HTML code that they give you. You put it right before the ending, alligator mouth, and that will be, all set. However, here's an easier way. What you do is you come over to your WordPress blog. You go to the plugin section. Go to add new. You go to search. So this is actually the default landing page when you go to add new. And you're going to do a search for Facebook like and send. Okay? Facebook like and send. Do search plugins. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up a list. Now, I actually recorded this video a few minutes ago, but my ScreenFlow crashed, so it didn't actually save. So I'm starting this process over again for you. And when I did that video, I noticed that this one right here seems to have gotten the highest ratings, okay? So you can see here, you have options to insert the buttons on pages, WordPress pages, the WordPress single posts, or both. You also have options to insert the button before the content, after the content, or both. You can also, it automatically includes Open Graph tags, which means it pulls in the titles and the descriptions, things like that. You can display the button in different languages, very easy, simple to configure, and it's gotten the highest rating. So that's definitely the one we want to install. So I'm going to click on install now, and it says here, this page, do you want to install? Yes, hit OK. And boom, brings us to this page. So now we have to click on activate. And once we do that, we're straight. Okay, we can see now that it's been installed. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your settings tab and then go to the FB like and send button. This is where you can, change certain options. So remember we said you could put it on post pages, on the single page posts, or you could also do it on WordPress pages. You could choose to do just one, just post, or just pages. You just check the one you want, uncheck the one you don't want. Position the content after, before. I like after and before. Okay, so it's at the top and it's at the bottom. Now, if your blog posts are not really, content rich, if there's not a lot of content, you might want to just choose one or the other. But if your content is usually long, you want to have one at the top, one at the bottom, in my opinion. You want to show the send button. Yes, absolutely. Layout style, you can choose standard. I like the button count. Width, we'll keep it at 450. Show faces, that means when somebody comes to your site, do you want them to see the faces of friends of theirs that have already hit the like button, have already hit the send button? And I like to put yes. Verb to display, like, or you could do recommend. Okay, so on the like button, you can have it say like or recommend. I like to choose like, even though recommend sounds cooler or, not as forward, right? You have to like something, you're just recommending it. However, a lot of people already know like when it comes to Facebook. They don't understand what recommend is. And we always got to make it as simple as possible and want to go with something that's very familiar to them. Okay? Over here, we could choose different font. I usually go with Verdana or something like that. I'll click on Save Changes. And now let's open up a new tab on this blog. Okay? And here, we'll refresh this page. We'll go to Hello World, to the actual post. And there you could see, not only do we have the like button, but we have the like and send button. So if we click on send, boom, you can see it pulls in the title, the URL, and the description. Okay, and here, again, we can add friends, email addresses, names of our friends, which again, you just have to simply just start typing their name. So you just start typing their name and they come up. Okay, so there's all the Kevins, and you could also just type in the name of your groups. Okay, and you can have groups. Now, it also can be posted to old style groups, and it can even be posted to groups that you don't own, that you're just a part of. Now, do you want to do that? You know, that's completely up to you. But if they allow it, you can. Okay, especially the new style groups. The new style format is very like open to where it's not just where the new style groups are groups where you don't just see the admins of the pages, you know, posting stuff and sharing links. Everybody pretty much does it. Okay, it's pretty much everybody has to be able to post. I don't even think there's an option where only the page owner or the group owner can post. So that's really cool. So you want to find the new style groups, which is pretty much going to be the only style pretty soon, as you've seen. And you want to join the groups that have tons of people, and now you could share your posts with not only your groups, but every single group you're a part of in your niche. Really, really powerful stuff. Okay, so as you can see here, you just learned a lot of stuff, and I hope you take advantage of all the things, all the takeaways that you can take away from this video. Okay, we did not just go over what the send button is and how to install it. While that was the basis for the video, we went over a lot of things that you can go use right now to get tons of traffic. Okay, you can go right now, even if you have no friends on Facebook, you can go join a group that has, you know, maybe 2,000-3,000 members, or maybe 10, you know, 100,000 members in your market, and then you go to your blog, find an awesome content-rich blog post, and use the send button to send it to that group. And now everybody in that group will see it, and they'll come over. Okay? Really, really powerful stuff. Go do it, and make sure you leave me some comments and let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.